Hello everyone. My name is Bishwas Neupane and my student ID is 1478625, and today I am going to do my video presentations of BIT 354, that is Network Architecture and Protocols. Let's start my presentations. Here's the tasks we have to investigate and discuss in the video about the big data, Internet of Things, and cloud storage. And we have to demonstrate, we have to implement big data, Internet of Things, and cloud storage in VirtualBox, and we have to demonstrate in the laboratory, any three laboratories. Let's start with a PowerPoint slide. Okay, here, first of all, let me describe about the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computer device, mechanicals, and the digital machine, object, animals, and the people that are provided with a unique identifier, that is UDI. The ability of a transfer data over a network without a require human to human or human to computer interactions, and also the connectivity and the IoT technologies means everyone is working with immediate access to each other's work and insight, but also to the data set of a connected asset. And using the appropriate IoT tools, remote workers will be able to complete tasks faster than before and will better efficiency. And after that, here's the reasons of IoT. And for the reasons is streaming the whole day and lowering the energy cost and response to new customer demand faster. Let's start with another one. Big data technology can be defined as the software utility that is designed to analyze, process, and extract the information from an extremely complex and a large data set, which the traditional data processing software could never deal with. And here's the reasons. The reasons are cost reductions and faster, better decision making, and the new product and service. Let's move to another slide. And here's the cloud storage. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores the data on the internet through a cloud computing provider who manage and operate the data storage as a service. Uh, Here's the reasons. The reasons are it help in a cost savings and enhance the security and the mobility the opportunity. That's all about the explanations and that's all for the big data, internet thing, and a cloud storage. Now let's move to the another question number two, that is the we have to demonstrate and implement big data, internet of things, um, and on cloud in a virtual box. Okay, first of all, let's start with the internet of things. For that, we have to open the virtual box. That this one is virtual box, and after that we can open the Contiki. Here we go, and we can start this one. Here you can see the Kuja terminal and Wireshark, and we have to open the Kuja apps. Let's cancel this one and let's open the Kuja apps. And here we have, and here we have, let's click on the file, then new stimulations, and let's put ASSIGNMED assignment 2, and let's click on create. And here we have, then click on the modes and click on add modes and click, and we will go to sky modes. Then continue process, click on the browser, then click on the example, then click on the IP version 6, in this, click on the simple, this one, and the broadcast example, sorry, this one, broadcast example, this one, and we need to compile this one first of all, and it may take time. Let's pause the video. Then after this, here we have add modes, and let's put the ads. Let's give the number 9 and click on the add modes, and here we have different types of let's manage this. And we can click on the radio traffic and click on the start button, and we'll see the radio traffic of this. And then after that, we can also click on the mode attributes. You can see the mode attributes and also the mode types like this. And moreover, we can also do the let's IP address. This is my first task. I'm done with the Internet of Things. Let's move to the another task. Now let's move to the second task, that is the big data. For the big data, we have to download the MongoDB Compass that I have just downloaded this MongoDB Compass, and we are creating the new database. And for this, we need to so this one must be active running, and let's create a new database. First of all, let type Mongo and click into, and after that we can write so dbs. Then here there is no any database added in the system, so now use 1 2 3 dbs, and it shows that is it switches to dbs 1 2 3 dbs. And let's show dbs, then click on enter. Then here we don't have anything, any database. And now let's create db dot create create collection collection. Let's put bishwas Bishwas, and click, and after that click on enter. Sorry, just a second. db dot create collection collection space, and just keep bishwas Bishwas. Let's keep enter. Sorry, that was my mistake. I didn't notice about the capital letter. Let's do again. db dot create capital collection create collection bishwas. Then click into. Now we can see there is one database is created. Let's check here in MongoDB. Okay, let's check here. Uh, Here is my student ID, which was s1478625, and this is how we can update the database in the MongoDB using the terminal. And this I'm done with my second part, and finally let's move to the third part. uh, Now let's move to our third part, that is the on cloud. For that we need to click on this. I have already installed this one. Let's click on start button. Just wait for a minute and we'll get the IP address in the web browser. IP address. uh, I think it may take time, so let's wait for this. Now here is our IP address, this 192.168.1.110. This IP address, let's put this in the web browser. Let's put that in the web browser. It is 192.168.1.19 192.168.1.110. Let's keep enter, and here is the dashboard of the on-cloud portals. Let's click on system and the domain setting, and it will ask for the username. Let's put administrator and password. Let's click on enter. This is the administrator, and let's click on the user. Here are three users, that is, this is my users. Let's click on this, and here is my profile, that is Bishwas Neupane. I have already created this one, and Bishwas Neupane organizations. Let's click on, and this is the page which I have created in the on cloud page. And let's move on to the sorry login page. Now click on login, enter 192, sorry, just a second, 192.168.1.110 on cloud login. Just click in this one, and let's log out this one. Let's put with another username, that is my Bishwas. Let's put a password 983. Let's click on this one. Sorry. Administration. 67486708 enter. Here's the user administration Bishwas, and this one. This is my dashboard. Now let's connect the on cloud with the window with the my window on cloud. Let's add account. Server address 192.168.1.110, I think. 110. Enter. Can trust this one and click on OK. And username, just give the username, that is BISSWAS. Bishwas, and one 98651793, and click on the next and click on the connect. Like this we can connect the, you can see Bishwas and the another one. And this is my thought talks. I'm completed these three talks and demonstrate of any three laboratories. So in the summary, we can use uh, Internet of Things on cloud and big data to run the business more effectively and smoothly. And also in this way, company can get more benefit and it will take better decision for a company to do the further operations, and it is very helpful for the company. That's it for my assignment 2 of BIT 353 Network Architecture and Protocol. Thank you.